Hello children, today's our content is activities of early humans. Before going into the topic, earlier we were discussed about what is history. In that we were discussing about the early humans. Now we are going to discuss about the activities done by the early humans. Life of early humans. In this we are going to discuss what are the food, clothing and shelter of the early humans. Hunter gatherers. Why they called as the hunter gatherers. Settled farmers. How they have become the settled farmers. The invention of the wheel. How the invention of the wheel came and what help does the invention of the wheel uh, help the early humans. Discovery of metals. How they discovered the metals and how they do the weapons and tools. Now we are going to discuss the life of early human. As earlier we discussed who are the early humans. They are the early humans. They used to live on the trees to protect themselves from the animals, and they used to use the stones as the weapons to kill the animals and dig the roots of the plants as a food for them. As they used to live on the trees to protect themselves from the rain, heat and cold, they started living in the caves. So they began to live in the caves to protect themselves from the animals, heat, rain and cold. They used to hunt the animals for food. They ate the raw meat of the animals. They hunted the root, fruits, nuts and berries that they gathered from forest. At this stage, they used tools made of stone. Slowly, the early humans learned how to make fire by rubbing two stones. As they used to move from one place to another place in search of food, they are called as a hunter-gatherers. Here you can see the picture children. In this, they are making the tools using the stones. So they started making the tools and weapons using the bones of animals as well as the sharp stones. Here we can see some of the pictures of the weapons and tools made out of bones and the stones. Settled farmers. How the early humans have become the settled farmers, let us talk about that. Previously, they used to move from one place to another place in search of food and the warmth climate. They used to hunt the animals for food. After completing the animals and the plants over there, they used to move from that place to another place in search of food. When early humans were unable to find any animals and plants, they would move to another part of the forest in search of the food. They used to worship the nature as their gods, like the sun, moon, and trees. They used to uh, treat them as a gods for the early humans. Then early humans discovered how to grow the crops. So they collected some seeds, they sowed the seeds in the garden. Then the next, they used to live near the river so that it will be very convenient for them to get the water. Soon the early humans gave up on Soon the early humans gave up wandering from one place to another place and they began to lead the settled lives. The men and the women started working in the fields, and the women looked after the home. They learned to weave the cloths using the skin of the animals. Later, they used to carry the things on their backs. Later, they started preparing the tools using the wood such as plow. It made the early humans farming very easy and helpful for them. Now we are going to discuss how the wheel invented. Early humans traveled on feet and used animals to carry heavy loads. It is believed that they may have seen round objects rolling down hills. By seeing this round object rolling down, early humans they got an idea of making the wheel. Later, they started making the wheel using the stone. Here you can see in this picture how the early humans are carrying the heavy loads on their back. So after the invention of the wheel, it has become very easier for them to for farming, even for carrying the loads, and even from moving from one place to another place. The invention of wheel was one of the most remarkable inventions forever. It made lives of the early humans easy and comfortable. Historians believe that the first wheel was the potter's wheel, which used to make the clay pots. Discovery of metals. Earlier, the early humans used stones as their weapons. Later, they started making the weapons and tools using the bones and the stones. After making the weapons and tools, the life of the early humans was very easy and comfortable. It, Copper was the first metal to be discovered. The early humans started using metals to make tools as it was sharper, stronger, and more durable. Plows for farming, weapons for hunting, and utensils for storing food were made for the metal. These are the tools and weapons made out of copper. They used to prepare the sharper, stronger, and more durable weapons and tools, which made the life of the early humans very easy and comfortable. Copper was also used to make jewelries for both men and women. They wore the copper ornaments. So weapons and utensils of copper they used to prepare, like utensils they used to use for storing the food and for storing the water, and they used to wear, both the men and the women they used to wear the copper ornaments. So these are the activities of our early humans children. We will studied their life of the early humans, the invention of the wheel, and how the invention of the wheel make the comfortable life, and how they started using the metal, and how they started uh, using the metals to improve the quality of the life of the early humans. So I hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.